Hello friends, how are you doing today? In this video, we are going to see how you can attend the solution architect interview confidently and boldly. I hear from so many of you that you would like to hear from me about how we can prepare for the interview, how you can do the basic homework for getting into the job, right? So this video, I want to list the high level details that you must take care before applying for the job. So if you're a solution architect or enterprise architect, data architect, or any type of architect category, you must make sure that your resume is filled with the right content. And also, the resume should not be 6 or 7 pages of length. Your resume should be only 2 pages of length, and make sure that you have the right content in that resume of 2 pages length. And second thing is, if you have LinkedIn profile, make sure that that LinkedIn profile is of all-star profile. So what exactly the all-star profile? All-star profile is the profile that has all the sections in the LinkedIn is filled properly with the right content without any gap or issues. And third thing is, when you apply for the job, first go and read the job description thoroughly. The job description must match with your experience, and if it is not, do not go and apply for the job. Your resume will not be picked. Make sure that your resume and job description align properly. And the fourth one is, be confident. Once after applying for the interview, and if you are getting the interview call or not, make sure that you thoroughly prepare for that interview according to the job description. And also pick one particular project, only one particular project in your resume where you involved more and created an impact to your organization. And because of executing that architecture or executing the project with your architecting skill, you made a business value to the organization. Pick that particular project and be thorough in that, and explain clearly to the interviewer if the interviewer asks about explaining about a particular project in your experience. And next thing is, you must have thorough hands-on experience on any of the architecting tool. For example, the draw.io for creating the architecture, and any Visio is for creating architecture diagrams, any enterprise architecting tool. So make sure that you have thorough hands-on experience on that, so that during the interview time, if the interviewer is asking you to draw the architecture diagram, be ready to draw it and showcase to the interviewer. And another one is, if you are working for one particular cloud service provider, make sure that the services involved in that public cloud service provider and how those services were used in your particular project, and how you align those services properly in the architecture diagram. Make sure that you have that knowledge of explaining those things to the interviewer. And next important thing is, you must know the logics or knowledge behind how you can apply the well architected framework in any architecture. So if you're a solution architect, the well architected framework is the key player when you explain the things to the interviewer. The interview questions also going to be around those areas, because you are a solution architect. You are not just creating some kind of simple diagram and showing to the customer or the interviewer, hey, this is going to work when you implement it. This level of basic things will not be there in the interview. You must explain what will happen if you implement this particular service with a high volume transaction, and what will happen in future if this service is implemented, whether the scalability can be addressed in the future, whether the reliability can be handled by this particular architecture. So this level of knowledge you must have, and you must explain these things to the interviewer in detail, in alignment with the project what you did for your organization. And make sure that you have the ability to answer these questions with the star method. Whenever a question is asked by the interviewer, follow the star method. Star is scenario, task, action, and result. So make sure that you follow this pattern while answering the question to the interviewer. I have provided a link here to explain that method in detail. So use that in your interview. So follow all these basic steps and confidently attend the interview. You will crack it out well. So this is the first video that I'm making for guiding you guys in this area, especially on cracking out the solution architect or enterprise architect interview. More videos are going to come in this category. Stay tuned and all the best. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it to your friends so that they will also get benefit out of it. Take care. Bye.